Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I am going to show you top 5 tips that make you beginner to pro level in CSS. Okay, these tips can make you even more better at coding and make you easier to understand. Okay, so watch full video. So let's start. Have you guys bored with using this basic border color? So today I will just remove this one and we will use border image and set to linear gradient. Okay, just like this, and add the values. Okay, now you can see here we have some colors. Okay, so we have to change from here and set to 1. Now you can see our border color changes to gradient and it looks much better than the before one. Okay, so now let's move to tip number 2. I know you might think how to change the color of this blinking cursor. Okay, so for that just come here and type carrot color and set whichever color you want. Like I want blue violet color. Okay, so now when I come here and check, you can see now the blinking cursor changes the color. Okay, so you can change it. Now let's move to tip number 3. So I have an image with a background color white. Now I have to make it transparent. For that I don't use any external tool. Just come to here CSS and here use mix blend mode and set to color burn. Okay, now you can see white color just disappear and our image become PNG file. Okay, so you can use it in your code. And now let's move to tip number 4. Now here is tip number 4. So I have a PNG image, okay, without any background. Now I have to use a shadow here on the image. So what we do, just add box shadow. Okay, and set to 0 to 10 pixel and I will use black. But this box shadow not looks good. Okay, so instead of this box shadow we will use filter and drop shadow and set the same value like the before, black. Now you can see it look fine. As you can see here, some shadow over the image and it takes the shapes of the image, which looks amazing. Okay, yeah, so here is if we just change the values here like 10 pixels, now it's look more than enough. Okay, now it's the 3D, it looks a 3D image. Okay, so that's a tip number 4. Now let's move to tip number 5. So here is tip number 5. So basically I want to change the shape of this image. Then how can I do that? For that I will use clip path. Okay, it is difficult to measure, but we can go any website like this one, that is CSS portal, and you can just come here and copy the link in whatever shape you want. I want a triangle. Okay, now come here and just paste it in your CSS code. Now you can see our image changes to triangle color. Okay, and we can do same with the square, rectangle and anything. Okay, so these are top tips that make you beginner to pro level. And if you like this video, please like it and share as much as you can. And if you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.